Functions in Excel worksheets. The if function. Another commonly used function in Excel is the if function. In this case, you are asking Excel to look for something and then tell you if that something occurred or not. For example, perhaps you want to compare whether your monthly expenses for a certain month were under or above your monthly budget for another month. The if function in Excel helps you do that. Using the if function in Excel worksheet. Here I have a table that contains the names of sales representative and the sales of November and December for each representative. What I want to know is whether their sales in December were bigger than their sales in November. The if function helps us do that. In this case, let us just ask for a simple yes/no question. Whether the sale in December was bigger than the sale in November for Sarah. Yes or no? Looking here, you can see how the worksheet has all the data at hand. We are looking to see whether the information in column C is bigger than the information in the column B. And here, we would like the column D to display the answer, which is yes or no. To obtain that, in the cell adjacent to the values, here, D2, I type equal, capital F, and then I open a bracket to enter the logical test first, which is C2 bigger than B2, comma, the value if true and the value if false, which is here in my case, yes or no. Between two quotations, I type yes, comma, two quotations, and I type no, and then I close the bracket. By hitting enter on my keyboard, the new column D shows that yes, in the first case, the sales in December were bigger than the sales in November. The same thing applies to the rest rows. Instead of the last row, where the sales in December were less than the sales in November for Salma. You do not have to manually re-enter the formula into the other cells in D. All we had to do is write it in the first cell, and then it's applied on all the other rows automatically.